Just rub a candle on your shoes, and you'll be amazed by the results. A cobbler taught me this tip, and today I'm gonna show it to you. I bet you never used a candle like this before, but once you find out what it's for, you definitely want to try it at home. Because this is a very simple trick, but I guarantee it will be very useful. So make sure to watch until the end, you're gonna love knowing this. All you're gonna need for this is a candle and of course your leather shoe. This one here is a dress shoe, but you can also do it with sneakers or boots. The result will be the same. So take the candle and rub it on the shoe. As you can see, the paraffin starts to stick to the shoe, and that's exactly what we need. Once you've done that, you'll need a hair dryer. Set it to low power and blow dry the shoe. Keep doing this until all the paraffin has melted. Now, very carefully, use a cloth to spread the melted paraffin. Try to spread it all over the shoe. By now, you must be wondering what this is for. So guys, just by doing this, you give your shoes an incredible shine. See how shiny it becomes? But that's not the main benefit. You also seal the shoe, making it water resistant. That's right, which means if water falls on the shoes, it's just gonna roll off. How wonderful is that? This will protect you from the rain and especially water puddles. And that's not all, it will also protect the shoes from dirt and dust, keeping your footwear in good condition for much longer. So that's it, I hope you liked it. If you have leather shoes, sneakers or boots, don't hesitate to try this trick at home. I'm sure you're gonna love the result. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video.